Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, I'm going to show you what the Life360 app is and how to use it to stay connected with your friends or family and keep track of everyone's location setting. Let's get started. Life360 is a family and friends location sharing app that lets you see where your loved ones are in real time, receive alerts when they arrive or leave a place, and chat securely within your group. It also offers safety features like driving report, emergency SOS alerts, and location history. Now to get started, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So search Life360 on your search bar, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and open up your app. Once opened up, sign up using your phone number or email, create a secure password and verify your account via SMS or email. Allow location access so the app can track your position accurately. Circles are private groups for family or friends. Tap create a circle. Tap create a circle, name your circle, invite family friends via phone number or email. Alternatively, tap join a circle if someone invites you. Everyone in the circle can see each other's location and receive notifications. The home screen shows a map with all circle members' locations. Tap a person's icon to see details like last update, address, and driving status. Zoom in, out to see locations clearly. You can zoom in or out like this. Life360 sends arrival and departure alerts. Tap settings, then go to notifications to customize alerts like driving safety, fast detections, or check-ins. You'll get notifications when a member reaches home, school, or work. Use the chat tab to message members in the circle. Tap the SOS help button for emergency alerts with location sharing. Driving features show speed phone uses and crashes detection for safe driving insights. Tap on places, then tap on history to see where circle members have been. Great for checking past routes or confirming visits. Only share your location with people you trust. Keep location services on for accurate track. And that is how you can use the Life360 app. Create circles, track family or friends, set alert, chat, and stay safe on the road. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did, and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.